When you look at the procurement element of any serious organization, a significant element of the procurement and supply function is going to revolve around contracting process. What does that tell you as a procurement profession, or in fact as an entrepreneur? Simple. You need to understand commercial contracting. You see, if contracts are to be successful, then they must be clearly defined, be in line with legal requirements, contain key clauses and terms, all of which are things you're going to learn in this course. After successfully completing this commercial contracting course, you will be able to describe the key elements and legal aspects of formal commercial contracts and analyze and interpret the fundamentals of specifications and key performance indicators that are included in any contractual arrangement made with suppliers. In order to make this easy for you, in order to make it easy for you to understand everything that is going in here, I have divided the course into modules. And all those modules are going to be, they fall under 3 broad categories. And these are understanding the legal issues that relate to formation of contracts, understanding the fundamentals of specification and key performance indicators that are included in contractual arrangements made with suppliers, and finally, understanding the key clauses that are included in formal contracts. Now with those, you get a series of, lessons that are going to teach you the various aspects relating to commercial contracting or, commercial agreement that you're going to get into with the supplier or with the buyer. So in this course, you'll be able to access various materials. There is over 50 video lessons, PDF downloads, articles, all of which are designed to make you the best at commercial contracting. So let's get started.